Hi, welcome to ggmix. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect strawberries and cream pavlova. The meringue is crisp on the outside and soft and fluffy like marshmallow in the middle. The centre is filled with the silkiest whipped cream, not too thick or too runny. The sweetest strawberries sit proudly at the top, and the whole dessert is finished off with a tangy strawberry sauce. What's not to love? So let's get started. First, we need to weigh our egg white. I use 4 medium organic eggs and they weigh 150 grams. So now I double that amount, so 300 grams, and that's how much sugar I need to heat in my oven at 200 degrees for 5 minutes. Whilst the sugar is heating, whisk your egg whites on a medium speed until soft peaks form. Alright, to check if your meringues are at soft peaks, what you got to do is get your bowl and put it over your head like this. And if it doesn't fall out, you're good. If it does, then I guess you got to start again. After you go and wash your hair and have a shower. Right, now that the sugar is ready, turn down your oven from 200 degrees down to 100 degrees, and then add your sugar to your meringue on a medium speed, a spoonful at a time until it's all incorporated, and then beat for another 5 minutes or until you can't feel any sugar grains between your fingers. Right, now it's time to make a nice circular base for our pavlova. So what I do, I'll get my whisk first, take all the bits off into the middle, plonk it in the centre. Look how silky this meringue is. It's so glossy and shiny. This is what you're looking for. If your meringue goes like this, you know you're nearly there. Just got to cook it. Right, now we've got to make a circle with our meringue. It doesn't have to be anything perfect. All you've got to do is like blob it down to like a circle. Doesn't have to be neat because we're going for the lovely, indulgent, tasty, rustic sort of look. So what I do, plonk it all in the middle and get a spoon. I like to do is make a circle, like a little ditch in the middle with my spoon, which we're going to fill later with cream. It's so silky, and our fruity strawberries and our zingy strawberry sauce. And then with your spatula again, scrape down the rest of your meringue, take it out and just work your way around so you can have nice high walls. Don't even have to go all the way around, because can you see all these little bits popping out, these little spikes? They're going to go so crispy, so that is going to contrast with the middle, which is going to be so silky. So leave these bits sticking out. And it looks nice as well. It looks better than having it all smooth. It's like you've got it from a restaurant, all proper, like it's made in a factory. We're not looking for factory copies. We want to have unique creations, and this is unique. Look at this. How lovely it is. It's got this sticking out, this poking up. And now bake this in the oven for about an hour and a half, or until when you check it that you can lift it off of the baking paper and none of it sticks, and then leave it to cool in your oven until the oven has gone back to its normal temperature, and then you can go and fill it. Whilst our meringue is baking, let's get on to our sweet and sour strawberry sauce. This sauce is so delicious. I can eat the whole thing all on its own, but the best thing, it's so simple to make. In a pan, heat together 100 grams of frozen strawberries, 40 grams of sugar and the juice of 1 lemon until they turn into a sauce. Whilst everything is coming together, mash your strawberries with your spoon so they're not so big and chunky. And when it's ready, it should look like this. And this should give us a lovely texture. Our cream needs to be silky and smooth, not too thick or too runny. So when you beat it and you start to see your beaters creating small ripples, stop and you'll have the perfect cream for your pavlova, and also for when you want to serve cream with just fruit or any other dessert. Now the fun part, putting it all together. I've put my meringue on my serving dish, and as you can hear, the outside is all crisp. But wait till I cut into it and you're going to see how soft and fluffy and marshmallowy it is inside. So what we do first is add our cream to the center of our meringue, spread it out evenly.
Smooth.
Then add our chopped strawberries.
Sweetie!
Drizzle over with your sauce. There's no need to be precise, just drizzle over, let the drips form wherever they do naturally. Now all that's left is for me to dig in. Look at my meringue all crisp on the outside. Look at this, gooey, fluffy, marshmallowy on the inside. You mix it all together, so get some meringue, some cream, some strawberries. It is so tasty, soft, crunchy, fruity, soury. This is the best dessert you could ever have. My favourite, strawberries, cream, the best. Add a bit of meringue to it, fantastic. So tasty. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share. And if you want to keep up to date with all my latest videos, please subscribe below. So until next time, bye!